Welcome everyone. I'm Gwen Shamblin with Way Down Ministries, and you're about to embark on a unique program of weight reduction called Way Down Basics. I can't think of anything more exciting for your life than to end the slavery of all the dieting, all the overweight, all the pain that comes with it, and join those that have gotten food off their mind and they're now walking and living a new life without that heavy albatross around their neck. Join us today in getting started in a whole new life. Welcome to Way Down, the pioneer of faith-based weight loss. Way Down has been around for over 20 years, and it is the only one of its kind. It's medically sound and faith-based. It's a program based on teaching people how to address the whole person and the root problem of overeating, how to end emotional eating. Learn the self-control of a thin eater, someone who can stop in the middle of a candy bar and have no desire to eat the second half. This educational seminar is based on reliable nutritional facts. Having a father that was a surgeon and a brother that was a surgeon, I grew up familiar and having much respect with the hospital and medical protocol. I have an undergraduate degree in dietetics and a master's degree in nutrition science. I'm a member of the American Dietetic Association with 5 years of experience working in health departments, teaching good nutrition to a large population, and then another 5 years of experience as an instructor of foods and nutrition at the University of Memphis. Way Down was a natural outbirth of all this information and has been around for over 20 years, and it grew to be international. Way Down Diet was published by Doubleday, and Exodus Out of Egypt was the first seminar. The seminars have been based on video lessons, books, audio lessons, and workbooks, which tell people how to eat and think like a thin eater and how to overcome binge eating. Way Down was established at the height of dieting, calorie counting, and exercising as the answer to permanent weight loss. And therefore, in the beginning, it was considered revolutionary.
Our guest tonight is Gwen Shamblin. She is founder of the Way Down Workshop. It's great to have her with us. She is a registered dietitian.
My program's about the desire.
As you know, we're always in search of a diet that really works. And right now, a phenomenal movement is sweeping this country, gathering new converts every day. It combines two American passions, religion and a desire to lose weight.
What we're talking about is a choice.
She believes that through faith you can lose the pounds that you can't seem to get rid of any other way.
We're teaching people stop dieting and go to God, get down and say, God, can you do better than Rocky Road ice cream? You're the genius behind it. You know the nuts are in there. You've made the chocolate. But God, can you make me feel better than all these chips and dips in this great binge? And you know what? Thousands are finding out that he can make you feel better.
It became accepted first by the population because it just worked. People were losing weight left and right.
8,113 pounds.
11,700 pounds.
This is truly a power that is not seen anywhere else. Is that true, guys? Praise you, God. Clap if you feel better. Just feel better.
They've lost over 20,000 pounds.
It is tested and tried and true, and it has widespread acceptance.
Come on out, Gwen Shamblin.
3 years ago, Andy Searles and his wife Maggie each weighed around 500 pounds, but together they are now 551 pounds lighter, and they credit Gwen Shamblin's faith-based diet book, The Way Down Diet. Good morning to all of you. Nice to see you.
Can believing in God and praying help you lose weight? Our next guests say, oh, yeah, it can.
We're getting truckloads of letters of things that are happening as people have been able to transfer a relationship with food to a relationship with God.
What do you do when every diet you have tried has failed?
I think a lot of us are going, Well, some are using an unlikely weapon in the war against fat, their faith.
This long-standing, permanent weight loss program has testimonies that have kept their weight off.
25 pounds, 10 years.
30 pounds, 10 years.
50 pounds, 10 years.
80 pounds, 10 years.
135 pounds, 10 years. 143 pounds, almost 11 years.